Merit for Life Science Operations advances standard Dynamics 365 functionality to provide quick and complete insight into perishable inventory with embedded Power BI. It also adds functionality for proactively managing the inventory from an expiration standpoint and for retesting. Life science organizations typically have an ongoing process for retesting materials. The process includes identifying the material's expiration date and setting a target retest date. The FDA has specific requirements for managing expiration dating. For example, let's say that this item is set to expire in April, but I would like to retest the material before that. Based on the retest results, I might be able to extend the expiration date. This embedded Power BI dashboard provides you with a quick and easy insight into your perishable inventory across your entire organization. With Merit for Life Science, you gain additional capabilities to manage expiration dates along with the visual impact of Power BI dashboards and reports to help you better meet compliance requirements. Drive efficiency in your operations while ensuring your organization stays compliant. Contact us to learn